how do we describe the culture of ScienceLogic? Both what are we today and what do we want to be? And we came up with 5 principles. The first one is we want you to be nerdy. We want people that are passionate, curious, have a thirst for knowledge.
I think nerdy people are the ones who really dive deep into problems. They find creative ways to deliver solutions and come up with solutions to problems.
That's always important when you're in an ever-changing environment, to constantly be striving to be the best and be adapting to the circumstances around you.
Being excited about problem solving, pushing the extra mile, going beyond and creating solutions that would not necessarily have been thought about in the first place.
Being nerdy to me means taking your passion and really learning as much as you can about it and not being afraid to, dig deeper and ask the bigger, broader questions around, things that you're unsure about.
You matter. The organization needs to take these people and create an environment in which they can excel and thrive and continue to grow.
We're embracing the uniqueness of all of the individuals that we hire here, and we're bringing together a bunch of things and creating a sense of community and building and working something together.
The whole thing with You Matter is that we want you to bring new ideas to the company and be that change that you think you can be.
But it's also a respect concept. And I think that with that value, we're asking that employees also let their fellow coworkers know that they matter.
I feel like ScienceLogic is a very customer-centric company, and for you to be customer-centric, you must be employee-centric as well.
Empower success. Create a culture in which people can come with new ideas, whether they're in your team or in other teams, but have an open environment in which people can contribute to solve new and interesting problems.
When you empower your employees, then you foster innovative thinking.
ScienceLogic will give you the time and the resources you need to do your due diligence and implement solutions correctly, and not someone micromanaging you, asking you what's happening every step of the way, but rather giving you your space to learn and develop yourself and the product.
We help empower success by supporting people in their creative endeavors, pushing them out of the box so that we can innovate and be more creative in our product and solution.
Be bold. Think of new ideas. Think of new ways to solve problems. Think outside the box. Share those ideas with the company.
The employees need to feel like they can actually go beyond the boundaries of what they're used to, and they need to feel like they have that freedom to excel and exceed.
In order to empower all of our employees to stay ahead of technology, learn new things, embrace their nerdiness, we want to empower them to work with other teams, be collaborative, reach out, ask questions, and be bold with the next steps.
Create wow in every interaction we do, whether it's internal meetings, calls with customers, or talking to prospects. Every time somebody comes in contact with somebody from ScienceLogic, they should walk away thinking, wow.
Whenever you look at something which really goes above and beyond your expectations, all you can do is sit there and go, wow.
Ultimately, when you're nerdy, when you're treated like you matter, when the company empowers success in the individuals, and when you're bold,
You will create wow. And as an organization, creating wow could mean delivering a product that the customers are extremely impressed with, a service or an interaction, or maybe internally allowing internal employees to feel the wow type of feeling.
So we think these 5 points best describe the culture that's grown over the last 10 years at ScienceLogic and the things we really want to invest in and grow to make us different, unique, and special in the industry.